Going to do a little work in the garden today. It's Saturday, and I found another mint. So that's two mints. Anyway, this is supposed to be cream violet. Planted it last year, and it's done went crazy this year. It's everywhere. I can't even see my hostas. So I'm going to pull them all up and put them in the trash bag and send them to the landfill. Landfill doesn't mind some plants because it helps break down their garbage dump and helps with the ecosystem. As long as it's not poison ivy or oak or things like that. There's a whole list of things you can't. But look, it's over here in my um, black raspberries. It's real pretty under the tree, but I'm scared to keep it. But we're gonna pull that up, and it's real easy. As soon as you just grab a couple handful and you pull on it, the roots come out. I said that and then okay, there's one. Said that and I get no roots, so I'm gonna be doing that real quick. Let's see how long it takes. It's coming along nicely. Well, I'm gonna go and get this too. I can actually see my border. That's how much, about a foot, it came over from the border. But it's looking good. This took me about 5 minutes. I'm gonna keep tucking away. The sun's coming out sooner than I thought. Oh, we'll see how long I last. I can't get over I got another mint. Oh, I'm gonna pick him up and put him in a pot. Keep him. All right, let's go. While toiling away, I found two Sharon volunteers, took those out. But yeah, it's done got hot. Oh. Then I just looked and it's going to be 90 today. So I probably will only do maybe this corner. And then I'm going in. I'm going to have to come in at night. But look at that. All of that. And around the corner filled that garbage bag. No. I love you. You're beautiful. But no. You took over. All right. Well, we will see you later in the garden. Bye-bye. Before I go, I picked this one up. Look at this root system. Traveling underground. All right. Peace and love. Happy gardening. Bye-bye.